installing a tractor guard in a Case Maxi 140 rear tractor guard window. First thing to do is to wash all the suckers off in water so they're moist. Make sure your cord's in the right position. Place it in the guard on the back window. Lifting the window just at the time. Make yourself safe when you're climbing up. Pull the cords round. Pull the bungee cords tight. Hook them on. Really tight. They can be adjusted. Lower the window. Keep it in place. Press the suction cups on. And they're on. They stick well when they've been put on wet. Doesn't matter if they come unstuck. They're sticking quite well. And that is it. The tractor guard installed within minutes or 2 minutes.